Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Now today we're going to talk about the PUNCUBE Minimal 3-in-1 portable laptop desk and the Minimal Wallet 3.0. Now I'll be talking more about this right after this. Alright, now before I start, please do me a favor. If you end up liking my content, hit that like button. Also comment and share. And also if you want more content like this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Alright, so let me go ahead and cover some quick highlight features. It's of course portable. It has an A4 size. It's 0.06 millimeters thick, and of course easy to carry, and it has an expandable pad which is suitable for mouse or use for writing. Now this is also lightweight, and it's about 1/3 of the height of similar products. Now the laptop stand has two different angles which can help improve your neck fatigue. It was handcrafted with fine vinegar leather and is sturdy, built-in aerospace high-strength fiber board. Now it also states here the heat dissipation, so it distributes heat generated by the laptop, so it's not just concentrated on one area. So that's definitely good for health concerns. Now you can get this in 4 different colors. You can get it in midnight blue, graphite black, cool gray, and then blonder brown. All right, so with that stated, let's go ahead and take a look here. Take a look at the back. You can have an idea of how it looks. Even states water resistant. All right, so you can see that. And with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. So as you can see, this is the cool gray. It has a nice premium feel to it as well. And you have a manual here. Okay. All right, looks like it's pretty easy to use. Now it states that these 5 adhesive circles are not required, and it just serves as an anti-slip in case you're on a smooth surface and you didn't want it to slide around. Then you have that. All right, let's get right to it. Now to get this ready for your laptop, you can see this little opening right here. I'm gonna lift here, just like I did. Then you're gonna lift this up, just like so. And if you look, you can see I have it flat connected here. It connects magnetically. If you listen, that's it connecting to this piece here magnetically. You can see it's connected now. But I'm going to rest my finger here so that way it does not disconnect. And then depending on what angle you want, if you want a 15-degree angle, you'll push down this first part as you see here. Push this part down, that's in the middle, and then rest it there. And then now I have a 15-degree angle. If this is how you want to use your laptop. Now, if you want a 30-degree angle, you will bend both together just like so. Again, my finger is still resting here. And then place it like this. And as you can see, there's a 30-degree angle now. And this is where I will rest my laptop. Really simple setup. Now, on this side here, that connects magnetically as well. But you will slide this out Now, what's nice about this setup, you could be in a chair if you didn't have a desk and rest this on your lap and be able to write comfortably on a flat surface, on a hardened surface, or use your mouse while your laptop is over here. Nice, simple setup. Let me grab my laptop so you can see how it looks while resting on this portable laptop desk. All right, so very easy to get this all resting in here. This part right here you will lift up so that way this end of your laptop will rest in here so it can hold it in place. And then rest your laptop on there. And there you have it. All right, really nice. I could be in a chair with this on my lap, not getting the heat from my laptop on my lap, and get the mouse, work it over here, and still be able to function as if I am using a desk like this. So let's see how it looks when I'm sitting in a chair that doesn't have a desk or a flat surface to work with. As you can see, I can just work here, do what I gotta do, use the mouse, keep it moving. If I don't want to use the mouse, again, it's flat enough, it's hard enough, or solid enough where I'm able to just put some paper here and write. You know what I need to do. I don't have to use my knee, bend it a certain way before I start writing. I already have an area where I can write. But what I'll probably be using this for mostly would be as a mouse pad. Right, so that covers the PUNCUBE Minimal 3-in-1 portable laptop desk. Now let's go ahead and talk about the Minimal Wallet 3.0 Pro. All right, not a whole lot with the external presentation. Straight to the point. Go ahead and get this open. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to cover some quick highlights. It says here, creative fusion of card holder and key holder, ultra minimal carry for space saving, for tidy organization, handcrafted with high grade leather, hidden phone stand function, and also optional dedicated multi-tool. Okay. Now there are other wallets they have. They have a EDC set and a family set. And it looks like it's only one color, which is called Boss Art Black. All right. Now with that stated, let's go ahead and look at this closely. Again, you could drop cards in here. So let's say you wanted to just drop your credit cards, your ID, hotel key, membership cards. You can just drop it in here. Right, so you got that going. So if you look here, you have two dots there, meaning you can drop two keys in here. All right, and then on this side here, there's one dot if you look closely. So you can put one key in here. And if you check here, you can see some use cases for this Minimal Wallet 3.0. All right. Pretty nice. Look at that. Then if you look here as well, if you lift this out, store something in here as well. Your Apple AirTag you can put inside there. And of course here, again, you can put cards or even cash bills. You know, you have many options. So I definitely think that this is a good space saver for someone that just wants to carry some cards on them and maybe not have a ton of keys on them. Maybe one or two keys they could just throw in here and be good to go. Again, this is the PUNCUBE Minimal Wallet 3.0. Now, if you're interested in any one of these products, of course, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my unboxing and review for the PUNCUBE Minimal 3-in-1 portable laptop desk, and also the Minimal Wallet 3.0 Pro.